I swear this is like my favorite cardigan that I own at the moment. I love it so much. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have yet another Sephora haul for you guys because I can't stop. That is right, you guys. I did get this stuff in the mail a couple of days ago, and I know that I have recently just done a Sephora haul. However, I have just been seeing so many new things come out that I have to try, and I need it. I need to try them because I am a makeup collector, I'm an addict, and hi, my name is Kenzie and I have a problem. So I'm going to haul the things that I did receive in the mail for you guys. So let's jump into that. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you and click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there. And also follow me on TikTok because TikTok is poppin', and I do post daily over on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into the haul. So I've got everything in a box today because I didn't actually go to the store. I just ordered it online. So I'll put the box over here and then I'll just kind of like pick out some stuff. So the first thing that I got, I'm not really going in any kind of order here either, but the first thing I did pick up is this from Olaplex. I've heard so many good things about Olaplex and I've never ever used it, but this is the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I have heard people rave about Olaplex. I do have tape-in extensions in right now, so I feel like maybe this would be, I don't know, maybe it was a bad time for me to buy hair care products just because I do have tape-ins. So like well, I guess it could help because I mean you could moisturize the extensions as well as your natural hair too, but the extensions don't grow, you know, it's like dead hair. I don't know. But anyways, I did still want to try this because, I don't know, I have, again, heard a lot of really good things about Olaplex, so I wanted just to give this a shot and see what I think. I think I can actually use this in the shower as well. We'll still just try it. I'm excited either way. But yeah, I picked this up. Next up, I got the infamous, the one and only, finally I was able to get my hands on it. I got the KVD Vegan Beauty Good Apple Foundation, and you guys, this was a chore to get, and I didn't even get my right shade. Like, this isn't even my shade. This is in medium 39, and if you can tell by my arms, I'm not a medium skin tone. I'm quite a light skin tone. However, I think this would be pretty good if I had a tan. Like, if I put on my fake tan again, then I'm sure this would look pretty okay. It looks very yellow, which is the only thing that I'm not really keen on. It is definitely too dark for me, but the yellow is what really kind of takes it for me. I have swatched this, so I did put my beauty blender in there and kind of test it on my hand. That's how I know it's so not my shade. But I do want to like try this on my face to see if I can kind of like, I don't know, make it work. Like maybe if I use like a little bit of like light concealer and then bronzer and blush, maybe I can make it work because I want to try this so bad. It took me weeks to get my hands on this, and I was able to actually get a lighter shade, like a fair to light shade from Ulta. I just ordered it. The only reason that I'm talking about this right now is because I don't have that one yet. But whenever I do get that one in the mail, I will definitely try it. But I'm so excited about this. I've heard really great things, and I've also heard not as great things. Like, I've heard that it's like the best foundation ever, and then I've also heard that it sucks. So I think it's whatever your preference is, but I'll definitely try it out and see what I think at some point. Okay, these two things I'm so excited for. I actually have quite a few cream blushes to show you in this haul video because I am obsessed with cream blush. I love it so much. Like, I don't even use powder blush that much anymore. I use some powder blush because my M Cosmetics ones are just so good, but when it comes to powder blush, I use M Cosmetics, I use the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette, and those are the only 2 powder blushes that I use still. Everything else is cream blush. So I got like 4 more cream blushes. I got 2 from Bare Minerals. I actually heard about these from Kathleen Lights. She did a haul video of the stuff that she got from Sephora, and she got these blushes, and I said, oh my god, I can't believe I didn't see those. I just skipped right over them. So of course I had to get these when I placed this order. So I got 2 shades. I got Kiss of Copper and Kiss of Pink. They're called the Gin Nude Glonzer, which is like a blush and a bronzer, but when I look at these, I don't really see bronzer. Maybe with the orangey shade you could, but I just think these are cream blushes. Personally, that's what I'm gonna use them for. But here is a Kiss of Copper, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. I love the little sun decal they have in there. And then here is Kiss of Pink. Definitely different shades. The Kiss of Pink is actually a lot more coral toned than normally. When you think of pink, you think of like my cardigan, but this is quite a corally type of pink. It is not just like straight up pink. It's a very nice color. I'm really into it, and I can't wait to try these out. So of course I will be doing like a full face of first impressions with all this stuff that I hauled today, and I'll do that in like my next video or something. But I love these, and I did get 2 more cream blushes. Oh, you thought it was just these 2? No. Remember, I have a problem and I can't just get 2. I have to get 4. But these are from a different brand. These are from Bite Beauty. These are their brand new cream blushes. They're the Daycation Whipped Blush with papaya extract. Again, I got 2 shades of these. I've got one in Watermelon Marg, so like watermelon margarita, and then I got Melon Mojito. Again, I always get the pink shade, and I always get like the orangey, what's the word, apricot shade. Those are my 2 favorite blush shades. I just love them. So here are what the packagings look like. They're so little, they're so cute, they're so adorable. Look, they're like little pebbles. They kind of remind me of the Rare Beauty blush. Well, not really actually, they're not the same at all. But they just look really cute. I like the packaging. It's like squishy. You can't see that, but it is like squishy at the bottom. But here is what the little applicator looks like. You just twist it off like this. And then here's what the little applicator looks like. It looks super duper cute, honestly. I saw Raw Beauty Christy mention these on her stories, and she said that these little applicators look like a little pee-pee. And it does, but it's in the best way possible. Bite Beauty, please don't hate me. I love your products, but like now that Christy has said that and put it out into the universe, I can't unsee it. But I have not tried these yet. I haven't tried any of this stuff yet, except for one thing, but it's not makeup. I'm so excited to try these out, and I think that they are going to be amazing. And then that one was the watermelon one, and this one is the copper one, or like the melon mojito. So both the same, but they look really great, and I can't wait to see the color and how they blend and all that good stuff. So yeah. And next up, I got this from Laneige. I've been seeing so many people talk about this. It is their brand new lip balm. It is called the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. Hydrate, smooth, boost visible fullness. I love all those claims. And the coolest thing about this, and everyone is saying this, but I also agree. Look at it. There's your applicator, and you can never lose it. It's right there. I have the other Laneige like lip night mask, like the lip sleeping mask, and I lost the applicator within 2 days of that one. And I just used my finger. It's just right here, and then you put it back when you're done. I'm never gonna lose this, but it is just so innovative. Here's what the packaging looks like. I did see this one on Kathleen's video as well, but I was already interested in this before then. But she's the one that kind of made me pull the trigger, because I was like, oh, okay, great. Here's what it looks like. I have already used this too, I forgot. But here's what it looks like. It's just very, very light, but it does have a tiny little bit of like shimmeries in there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's like a very light iridescent shimmer. When I got this package, I used it and I just couldn't wait. So I have used this only once though, so I'll still use it again, but it's really nice so far. I probably wouldn't use this for like overnight, but this would just be like a normal kind of like lip balm for every day for me personally. But yeah, so I got this. 2 more things here. The last, or the second to last thing that I got is by Patrick Ta, and this is the Sculpting. It's like the duo. You know how they had the blush duos with the cream blush and the powder blush, they're doing the bronzers now, which is awesome. I got the shade She's Sculpted, and wow, that's really dark. I did not realize that was gonna be dark because the super light shade is like crazy light. It's very, very light, and it's very cool toned, and I do have quite a cool complexion. My veins are definitely like blue, if you can see that, but I feel like cool toned stuff does look good most of the time. Like if it's like eyeshadow, it looks great, but cool toned face products, the one that I saw for this one was just very, very light. And let me check between like this and my Ilia bronzer, because yeah, this bronzer is like super dark, and this one right here, this one's much lighter, but I got the medium shade. Maybe if I used like a super light hand with this, but let me grab my phone. Maybe they sent me the deepest shade by accident or something, but I think I got the second shade. Yeah, I got the second shade, but if you can tell right here, the lightest shade looks very, very, now that I look at it, maybe it was fine, but it looks really orange. You see that? It looks really orange, and then it looks very, very cool toned. I don't particularly love an orange bronze. I like my bronzers to be like more brown in color, but I think this is still too dark. So maybe I can look at the other one and see if it's just in my head. Like maybe I can tell better if I see it in person. Maybe it just looks really weird on camera or like on my phone, but I still love the packaging here. I love how this has like a little flap so that your powder product doesn't get into your cream product. And I'll definitely still try this. I think I'm just gonna have to use a super duper light hand, and since this is medium, I think that it will work for me when I have a tan. I'll try it when I have a tan, because it definitely will probably work then. And the last thing that I got that I'm actually super duper excited for, and I have used this. I used it the second that I got it because I wanted to smell it and I wanted to try it, but I got this from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Bom Dia Bright Cream, and it's like the Boom Boom Cream, Bum Bum Cream, if you have heard that, which I'm sure that you have. Sol de Janeiro is just such a good like lotion, skincare, like body care brand, and this one I think is limited edition. I'm not entirely sure. Bom dia, it says here, it means good day, and I believe that Bom dia is Portuguese, because Sol de Janeiro, I believe, is a Brazilian company, so it would be Portuguese. So that's really, really cool. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think that's right. But look how pretty! I love this like coral salmon color that we have on the butt here, and then I've always loved the cap because it just kind of goes over it and it just looks really nice. And then of course you have the stuff inside. I'm not gonna like take it out like the product because it'll just get everywhere, but I love the scent. I moisturized my entire body with this when I got out of the shower. I smell fantastic, and I'm just really excited, and I think this color is just my favorite. It is so summertime, it's so fun, so I'm really happy with this, and I will be using this all the time. Oh, and maybe it's not limited edition, it just says new. So maybe it's like, maybe it's permanent, but it's just a new scent, or like a new version. I don't know. However, that's been my haul. God, I'm so awkward and I'm out of breath. But you guys, that has been my haul video. Those are the things that I did get from Sephora. If you have used any of the stuff that I did haul today, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you liked any of the stuff. If you've used it, let me know if you disliked any of it, because I want to know that. But I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!